Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how beneficial RGB lights are to you. If you don't know what RGB lights are, they're basically color strips that change color from red, green, and blue combinations that have over 16.4 million different combinations, and they're very beneficial. So as you can see, I have a chart here. Red makes anti-aging for the skin, purple has cell rejuvenating, blue anti-acne and teeth whitening, cyan makes your skin soothing, green makes your skin balanced, yellow has a redness reducer, orange revitalizes your skin, and infrared, or basically red, has a boosting result for amplifying your skin that you already have. By the way, I'll leave a link in the description for some RGB strips that you can buy on Amazon. It will be an affiliate link, so I will get a commission, but it's up to you if you want to buy them. I have a more advanced chart here, and it has several different colors and mixtures. So yeah, there's basically like strong pink, strong yellow, strong green, strong blue, indigo, violet, and some other things that you can read here. You can go ahead and screenshot this. This video may be things you've never known, most likely. That's why you clicked on it. So please share this video with as many people as possible. Like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.